Look at these. Now this is starting to defrost a little, but I call these the Gold-rush Slush. Get it? The Gold-rush Slush. And as these defrost, when your companies start coming over, they start to look like a desert sunrise. Isn't that pretty? With a little high sticky. Yes, that's a little attractive piece, and it's also kind of a fun conversation item. Stick around, and I will show you how you can make one too. These are going to go fast. So before the puck drops, you can make this too. Let's get started. We are in playoff round number 1. The Vegas Knights are playing the Mammoth in their debut season, and this is so exciting. The whole goal of this is to unite the fans in our T-Mobile Arena. Go Knights, go. This is so exciting. Okay, let's get started. No high sticking. First ingredient, our Molson Cup First Star, is crushed pineapple.
Oh yeah.
Our second star, Marachino cherries.
Oh yeah.
And our third star, coconut milk.
Oh yeah.
And there you have it. This is the medium size. It's 4 ounces or 1 pound's worth of good pineapple. That's going to be scrumptious. And we're going to add it to a blender, whatever kind you have. But I'd like to feature, this is my blender. This is a very Brady kind of a blender. So we're going to use it very cautiously today. And you should always be mindful of your appliances as well. Rinse it out. Get all the goodness out of your can. Let nothing go to waste. As it's a slush, or you need to add about 1 tray of ice cubes. Woohoo! Baby. Like that. A touch of coconut milk. If you do use a can, make sure you stir it or shake it. And just put a little bit in so that it gets more of a goldy cream color. Okay, just a little bit goes in. Right? Put the lid on. Safety. We're going to plug this in. It's a very Brady blender. All right, here we go, Knights. Unplug it for safety. Yes, this is getting on in its service. It's always been good to me. Okay. Next, have yourself a series of glasses, some medium size, full size glasses, because if you're not going to fill it with a full Twizzler stick, and that's like the secret ingredient for making the sticky, get it, the high sticky, sometimes sticks break on the ice, so you might want to have a half a cup or a half stick, a half of a serving of one of these. Put 1/3, eyeball this part. There we go. This is like pina colada almost here. Oh, that's good. Okay, and saving some for a little later. For that middle layer, I would recommend if you can make your own coconut milk, it is so much better. This is sweetened coconut flakes. This is brand new. It's nice and soft. You could practically snack on this right out of the bag. So I like to put a little bit of this in. I'm going to finish off the entire can. You will need about 8 ounces or so. I'm just going to add that to my blender next. Right. Swish the can out, get all the goodness out of there. There we go. And last but not least, another partial bag of ice cubes to top it to whatever volume your blender can hold. Ah, yes. Okay, there we go. Just like the ice slush that builds up around the crease. Look at that. Okay, it's not too liquidy. Let's put this on our first layer. And then put these back in the fridge. Woo-hoo-hoo. At the end of the first layer, or the first period once it's over, don't forget, add your sticky. Oh, now if you don't like black licorice, use strawberry. They even have chocolate licorice. I saw chocolate licorice in Walmart yesterday. That surprised me. Anyways, if you want to try that, you certainly can. Put your sticky in your glass. When we come back, we'll make the middle layer for the second period. All right, just as the Zamboni goes by and puts on a fresh sheet of ice, I like to put a little layer on of coconut. Let's add our coconut milk layer next. Use a little spoon. Just put a bit in, just lay it over the top. That's about 3 spoons. 1, 2, 3. 3 periods of hockey, unless there's overtime. And then we'll put on our cherry layer. So you're going to need some cherry juice and some cherries and a little blender. We'll be right back. Oh, this is so good. Try not to eat all your licorice. We are ready for the third layer. Give it that nice little red touch. So let's go. We're going to add, this is a half cup. I'm going to add more cherries to it. This is mostly syrup. Oh, now you can add more. Maybe add more for sure. Sometimes you get a cherry that has the stem on it, even when it says that it's stemless. So it's a good idea to check. I didn't count how many that is, but that's going to be a nice, flavorful, intense cherry. Add some ice. About 10 seconds. Okay, it's a little bit. Put them on your glasses. Put them back in the freezer for a short while. Now I'm eyeballing just a hint. It's just a hint. Look at that. I have a pattern on the glass so I can see what I'm doing. I call these my Fortress Glassware. You might see a little detailing of some bricks, kind of like a pattern in the glass. Okay. How gorgeous is that? The gold, a little bit of the white and the red, pina colada mix on top, and here we'll have some later. If you like this video so far, maybe give it a like, maybe save this for an idea. You can always change the colors to theme your party for whatever theme. Okay, here's the last of our coconut and pineapple. I added a few cubes in there, shorten some time. Let's go. Just to make a little bit of a layer. If there is any runny solution still that is not like really slushy, the coconut will help absorb it. And then when it goes into the freezer one more time, or the last time, it just makes a nice little, added effect. Imagine a nice pina colada, with a high sticky. Now I did actually add a little bit more pineapple from another can. Now it's all set and ready. Excellent. But before we do, I found these at Walmart. These are gold sprinkle little toppers. I'm going to put a few of these on before it totally freezes. So it has a proper Golden Knights effect. This is my tribute to the Golden Knights on their playoff run. Wow, aren't those beautiful? The Golden Knights Gold-rush Slush. These are so good. The Gold-rush Slush. Until next time, do take care and go Knights, go! Au revoir!